Good morning! It's Jungle Adventure Day! I cannot wait to go out and explore!
Ah, what an amazing view! I love the fresh forest smell.
I'll just brush my teeth.
My hair is almost dry.
Good morning, Mama!
Everything here is so beautiful, Mama!
Yes, my sweetie.
Good morning, sir. Your fresh jungle fruit platter is here.
Good morning, Papa!
Well, look what we have here. Fresh fruits for everyone.
Wow, they look so yummy!
What a wonderful surprise!
Mmm, yummy! This strawberry is so sweet, and this orange is so juicy.
This is the best breakfast ever.
I'm so full! I feel so energetic after having the fresh fruits!
Now, it's time to get ready, kids!
I'm so excited for our jungle adventure today.
Yes, we've got so much to explore. I can't wait to try out my new jungle boots.
Kids, we need to leave soon. Get ready.
Just 2 minutes, Mama!
Kids, our jungle safari jeep is here.
We're ready!
We're ready!
I can't wait to see tigers today. Roar!
I want to see cute baby animals.
Good morning, explorers. Let's begin our adventure. Welcome to the Jungle Safari! Explorers, remember, stay seated, use soft voices, do not feed the animals, and always respect the jungle. We are visitors in their home.
Look, everyone, so many monkeys! Monkeys are so cute and playful.
Yes, just like you two. My little monkeys. Wow, look at all those colorful birds. Nature is so full of life and beauty.
Some birds travel thousands of kilometers every year during migration. They know exactly where to go, even without maps. So they don't need Google Maps. Those are teak trees. Their wood is used to make strong furniture and ships. It's amazing how tall and straight these teak trees grow.
Oh, look, everyone! Deer are crossing the path!
They have such huge antlers.
We are about to enter the deeper parts of the jungle.
Oh, cool!
Look, everyone, fresh tiger scratches on the tree. Tigers use these to mark their territory. I think there's some movement ahead.
Keep your voices low, everyone. It's a tiger.
Wow, it looks so strong and majestic.
Oh, there are tiger cubs too. Just like my tiger plushie. They're so adorable.
It's actually a tigress with her cubs.
Just like you with our kids.
Look, everyone! There's a leopard in that tree!
Shh, Everyone keep quiet. Just look at the leopard carefully. Like humans have different fingerprints, every leopard has a unique pattern of spots. No two leopards look exactly the same.
Oh, cool.
We are about to reach the observation platform.
Be careful, kids. No running and stay together.
Here, dear. Give me your hand. Be careful.
Okay, I've got it.
There you go. See? Not so bad. Climb up slowly, kids. The ladder is steep.
Wow, everything looks so tiny from up here.
Look, kids. That is one of the biggest waterfalls in the area.
Wow, it looks so beautiful.
That's a watering hole.
Wow, there are so many animals. The view is breathtaking. Hey, kids, come this side. You'll love what we have to show you.
Wow, Mama, it seems all the jungle animals have gathered to drink water.
It reminds me of how we all hang around the water cooler at school.
This was the last stop on our safari tour. It's time to head back now before it gets dark. We had great fun on our jungle tour. If you enjoyed this adventure, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon.
Bye!